Okay, so we've got our Titan Attachments Ballast Box here. Just taking a peek at it. Came in the other day, looked good. The one thing that I will tell you is that it does not come with pins, the lower pins here. So make sure you have those in hand, or you order some. I'm installing some permanent ones that I got on Amazon for about 20 bucks. And I'm finding that I'm going to have to modify the hole just a hair, like I did on the other side. I had to drill this out just a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done and show you the next step. Okay, so we used a step bit up to a 7/8 because the hole that came was probably, I don't know, I'd say 13/16. So we went up to the next step, and this bolt should fit right in now. I did the other one and it had no problem, so we're going to go ahead and unscrew this, slide that right in, and we're going to go ahead and get this bolted up. Okay, so here we are. We've got the lower pins installed, got the upper pin, everything's hooked up. We're going to make sure this is level, and so I'm going to crank this on until this bubble starts to get level here, and we're almost there. And there we go, right there. So I'm going to tighten my nut down, give that a crank here in a second, make sure we're still level. Everything's good. So I've got it leveled from the center point. This ballast box comes with some tool holders. I don't know what I would use that for realistically, but I mean, I guess if I had to take a shovel or something out in the woods. But unfortunately, there should be a slat through here that you could put a chainsaw in. Trying to think of some other things that I do like the fact that this already has some drain holes in there, so if you do have like rocks, water will drip through here. However, a lot of people like to use sand in here, and if you're going to use sand, guess what? You've got drain holes in here. That sand's going to go right out, and if you look here at the door, sand's going to fall out, and it may take some time, but when you've got two 3/8 inch or damn near half-inch holes in the bottom, you're going to lose a lot of sand real quick. So don't use sand in this box unless you plug those holes. My intention is to use large rock, and then if necessary, depending on how much weight, how many of those I can get in here, each bucket's about 50 pounds. I want to put in at least 500 pounds into this machine, into this ballast box for this machine, and the capacity for this bad boy is about 800 pounds, supposedly. I'm sure that's probably a little conservative. I think 800 pounds is more than what I'll need, but we've got filled tires, and I don't plan on lifting anything more than 700 pounds with this, just being conservative with my abilities, being a new tractor and whatnot. So until I get the experience, I'm not going to be lifting all that much. So we're looking pretty good. Give you a look at that. This pulls right up. Pretty snug, so that's good. You won't have to worry about it bouncing out. All in all, everything looks pretty good. If you can see that rock pile out there, it's raining, so we're not going to be filling it up. I don't know if you can hear that beeping sound, but we've got ourselves a gentleman with a bobcat that's helping us clear out some of that mess over there. because unfortunately a tractor even of this size was not capable of doing all that work. Got the kiddo out here in the rain. So, alright, well, we're gonna wrap this one up and
move on to the next.
On to the next. Good job.
I told you I would do it.